Hello! Many FileMaker users that I come across don't know how to connect to their FileMaker server, whether that's a hosted external server or your internal server. This is where this video will help. So this is what you need. You need your FileMaker hostname or IP address, which your FileMaker host will be to give you or your IT department, unless you've got your own internal FileMaker server, in which case it's not so important. What we have to do initially is go to Host, Show Hosts, and if you've been given a host name, click the plus. It might be something like filemaker.claris.com. Or if it's an IP address, it may be a set of numbers. Whatever it is, enter it into the host's internet address field, and optionally set a host name. This can be anything you wish. Now it'll appear on the favorites, and if that's a valid thing, it'll give you a connection. Unless the version of FileMaker that you're using is too new for the version that's on your server, in which case you need to speak to your host or IT people. If you are running your own internal FileMaker server by the label Local, click on the little arrow and it'll show any internal FileMaker servers you've got. We'll click on this one here, and if we give it a moment, it may say this connection is not encrypted. If it does, you can just tick the box and say it's fine, unless your IT people tell you otherwise. It may come up with a dialog box saying FileMaker needs access to the network. Again, that's completely fine. In most cases, it will now ask you for a username and password, which will have been supplied to you. This confirms you have valid access to the FileMaker server. You will need to enter it a second time when you actually open your database. Once you put in your name and password, you can click the little box that allows FileMaker to save your password. We have never known this to be a problem for users, and it saves another step in the login process. However, for this demo, I'm just going to click Sign In as Guest, and you can see straight away the databases that's there. Once you open up the database, whatever it might be, I would strongly suggest you add it to favorites. That means that next time you go in, it should show your favorites straight away with the icon there. Give me a moment to quit FileMaker and go back in so I can show you. I don't recommend using recents. There's all sorts of reasons why recents can fail, but stick to favorites and always good. And finally, if you're the host and it all changes, you can right-click and remove these. Okay, thank you very much. Leave or send us a comment.